From the air, she's a marvel. Odyssey of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's quantum ultra-class cruise ship. A floating city filled with technology, entertainment, and luxury. At over 1,100 feet long, with 16 passenger decks, she carries more than 5,000 guests at full capacity, supported by over 1,600 crew. Seen from above, her scale is breathtaking. This aerial footage captures her in full glory, sunlit pools, endless decks, and colorful activity zones. Odyssey isn't just a cruise ship, she's an experience. On board, guests enjoy everything from skydiving and surfing to bumper cars and robotic bartenders.
At this that is clear is where we're staying.
The North Star observation capsule extends high above the sea, offering 360-degree views. Ripcord by iFly gives passengers a real skydiving feel, and the Flowrider's surf simulator creates waves on demand. From the Seaplex's bumper cars and sports courts, to relaxing pool areas, fine dining venues, and evening shows, every inch is designed for fun and comfort. Built in Germany by Meyer Werft and launched in 2021, Odyssey is one of the most advanced cruise ships at sea, blending innovation with style. She cruises at around 22 knots, sailing mostly through the Caribbean and Mediterranean. From above, we see symmetry, design, and flow, every deck in harmony. But inside, it's buzzing with life. Families laughing, couples relaxing, friends exploring. Odyssey of the Seas is more than a destination. She is the destination. A self-contained world of adventure, entertainment, and relaxation. As this aerial journey shows, she's not just a ship. She's a vision of modern travel at sea. If you enjoyed this high-up look at one of the world's most spectacular cruise ships, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.